Yung issue ng palitan, yung suggestion po o yung preference ni Presiding Officer Chis Escudero, I don't know if it's an order already or preference lang ba yung sinabi niya na palitan ninyo yung spokesperson ninyo. Hindi siya pwedeng spokesperson at the same time public prosecutor or yung defense lawyer din. Papalitan nyo ba si Tolosa?
Actually, may isa pang concern yan eh. Kasi when we talk about sub judice, no? All lawyers are bound by sub judice rule. Not only sub judice, what I mean, but by CIPRA, Code of Professional Responsibility, something like that, no? During my time kasi Code of Ethics yan eh. Now we call it CIPRA, no? So kung papalitan ba si Attorney J. Tolosa, of course, ultimately, that will be his decision. But we will be discussing it among ourselves. We truly understand yung concern ng presiding officer sapagkat ang hirap noon, prosecutor ka or counsel ka in the case of Attorney Michael Poa. And at the same time, ikaw yung spokesperson, no? So bound ka ng rules ng impeachment ng Senado, ng impeachment court. At maliwanag dun sa rules, you should not comment on the merits. Sinong bound ng rules? Prosecutors, defense, witness, parties, and senator judges, no? So yung spokes namin, both the prosecution and the defense, Attorney J. Tolosa for us and Attorney Michael Poa for the defense, parehas silang bahagi din ng impeachment trial because Attorney J. Tolosa entered his appearance also as one of the private prosecutors.
Opo.
In the same way that Attorney Michael Poa also entered his appearance as one of the defense counsels, no? So yung prohibition not to comment on the merits, very much applicable to them, no? And that is why we understand the pronouncement of the presiding officer to consider the possibility of making changes on the arrangement about spokes, kung sila ba ay mag-spokes o mag-prosecutor, something like that, no? But in addition to that, dahil parehas din silang lawyers, no? Bound din sila nung code of ethics ng mga abogado na nagsasaad din ng sub judice. Bawal mag-comment sa mga kasong pending pa sa trial.
So ano dapat, ma'am, ang mangyayari? Wag na lang siya mag-spokesperson si Attorney Tolosa on your part.
We will be asking him kasi napakahirap din. Kahit nga ako there are times during interview parang nadadala ba ako ng sarap ng kwentuhan, napapa-comment na lang bigla-bigla on the merits, no? So I believe ganun din yung nagiging situation ng mga spokes, especially they are very much engaged in the case because they are parties, counsels in the case also. For me, kung ang pag-iingat ang iisipin, it's best mag-concentrate which is which. Mag-prosecutor ka ba o
spokes ka?
O spokes ka. But yeah, Alvin, ever since we are deciding as a team, kaya we will be discussing this among ourselves and ultimately seek din kung ano magiging position ni Attorney J. Tolosa.
Okay, punta tayo sa susunod na article. The next article will be Article 1. Mama, no? Ilan kaagad ay sasalang yung witnesses?
Well, yung dinisclose namin kahapon by way of written manifestation at inisyu na din, di ba? Ang subpoena ay itong dating manager ng dalawang land bank branch. One is Shaw branch, parang DepEd branch yata yung isa, no? We have submitted the names and definitely we will be ready to present these two former land bank managers, no? Magkaibang branch to, dalawa na manager of different branches, former managers, on Wednesday. Kung walang magiging changes, that will be Wednesday. Reason is, Monday, SONA, that is, ano bang petsa nun, Alvin?
27.
July 27 is SONA. And then July 28 is contra SONA. And that is why without changes, we will be resuming on Wednesday. So we anticipate na Wednesday, maprepresenta natin itong dalawang testigo na to.
And how many witnesses do you have for this Article 1?
Well, I cannot say with finality, no? Because we have to understand na the exigency of the trial is really causing us to make some changes as to the number of witnesses, just like what happened in the in Article 4 on threat, no? We're supposed to have how many? 10, total of 10.
Yeah.
And then we ended up with 3 only, no? So depende sa progress or exigency ng trial whether we will be reducing again the number of witnesses. Pwede ring magdagdag because there is a reservation which was incorporated also in the pre-trial order, so long as it is the nature of the testimony is relevant doon sa article of impeachment, pwede rin magdagdag. So we will see, Alvin, as the presentation of evidence progresses for confidential fund.
Who will do the direct, ma'am?
Secret muna.
Bakit? Pero ano?
But,
Pero
of course, there are...
congressman ba o
Definitely.
private prosecutor?
It can be private prosecutor so long as they are under the direct control and supervision of the public prosecutor. It can be a public prosecutor also. No, I understand that the necessary preparation is ongoing na, but let's just wait and see whoever will stand on the podium for the direct examination of these 2 former branch managers.
Ayan, siyabangan po natin ha. Oh, by the way, kasi nagiging controversial ngayon yung pagkain at mga catering sa impeachment court. Yung pagkain ba ng prosecution team, sagot din ng Senado o may baon kayong pagkain at kung ano-ano mang gamit dyan sa inyong part ng impeachment area?
What I am certain, Alvin, hindi siya sagot ng Senado, no? Hindi siya sagot ng Senado. The House takers of it, perhaps mas magandang itanong yan sa Secretariat because we really don't know the details, except that we're very much sure hindi po sagot ng Senado yung aming mga bugong. Alam mo yung bugong?
Ano yung bugong? Ano yung bugong?
Sa Batangas, ibig sabihin nun, pagkain na nakabalot sa dahon, bugong.
Bugong!
No?
Oh, so wala
Nung bata ako, pag pumapasok ako sa school, parati kaming may dalang bugong. Ibig sabihin, pack lunch. Meron kang pack lunch. Pero traditionally, pag sinabi mong bugong, kanin yan na may ulam na nakabalot sa dahon, no? Sa dahon ng saging, no? Bubuksan mo lang during lunch. Yun pong aming bugong ay hindi po sagot ng Senado. Definitely, ang House po ang nag-aayos niyan, but as to the details, only the Secretariat can comment to that.
Sige, hanggang dyan muna tayo, Madam Bugong. Thank you po. Maraming salamat, ma'am. Thank you, Congresswoman.
Good morning
Good
po
morning
sa lahat, most especially sa aking mga kababayan from Batangas 2nd District. Gising-gising na po. Every gising is a blessing.
Okay,
Thank you, Alvin.
Thank you, ma'am. Pagpasensya nyo na, hindi nyo nakikita palagi si Congresswoman sa inyong distrito, ha? Mga taga Batangas, busy yung inyong kinatawan, ha? Lead prosecutors. Thank you, ma'am.